So there's a small change to Google Flights today, and I think it's small. I thought it was small, but based on the comments from my Instagram post, it seems like it was a pretty big change and a change that a lot of people have been waiting for. My name is Max and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and let's get started with today's video. Up until this point, if you wanted to go find flight prices for Southwest flights, you'd had to go to southwest.com. But now if you search for flights on Google Flights, you can see Southwest flight prices. This is a big thing because now you can price compare different flight options all within Google Flights. You can look at United, American, and all the other domestic carriers all within Google Flights, including Southwest. So that's just one aspect of this change that's beneficial. The second part is how you can maximize this. And how you can maximize this is that Google Flights allows you to track flight prices. And being able to track flight prices pretty easily is important because it can save you a bunch of money. Before this, there was no easy way to track Southwest flight prices. You would have to go to southwest.com and continually search day after day after day. But now on Google Flights, you can just turn on track flight prices and it'll email you when the flight prices drops. The price tracking is also beneficial if you have existing Southwest flights as well. If you have an existing Southwest flight, what you could do is you can go find that flight on Google Flights, turn on track flight prices, and then if the flight price drops, you can reprice your Southwest flight and get a flight credit or get some of those points back into your account. And what I mean by that is that Southwest doesn't charge you a change fee. And so if you bought a ticket at $120 and you get an email notification from Google Flights that the flight price dropped down to $100, what you can do is go back into your Southwest account, click on change flight, and change flights to the same exact flight that you already have, but now it's $100, so you get a $20 flight credit that you can use for a future trip. The same thing applies for points as well. If you booked on points and say it costs 12,000 points, and since Southwest points are at a fixed value of 1.5 cents per point when you redeem them for flights, that means if the cash price of the flight drops, that means the points requirement for that redemption flight also drops as well. And so if you booked it for 12,000 points and a couple weeks later, you get an email from Google that the flight price dropped, then you can go change your points ticket, change it to the same exact flight. And if it costs 10,000 Southwest points because of the flight price dropped, then you get 2,000 points back into your account. That's all the great benefits of Southwest appearing in Google Flights. It might seem like a small change, but it actually is a big change and can potentially save you a decent amount of money when it comes to booking Southwest flights. So short video today. Comment below if you have any questions. Let me know what your thoughts. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.